Alright, so today I'm going to be installing the new Gomexus handle. These are the new power knobs that they came out with. And I can already tell by just having it in my hand that it's probably going to be my favorite knobs from Gomexus. As you guys know, I run all of my reels with Gomexus handles and knobs, and all this stuff is carbon fiber. So first off, I'm gonna have to remove this flathead screwdriver. Let's get this removed. Make sure you don't lose any of the screws. Take that piece off. Put that down for now. Gotta get my wrench out. This is just my bag full of spare parts. As you guys can see, got different knobs. Got the stock knobs and other stuff in here, bearings and all that stuff. Just for me, switching out the bearings to Boca bearings. So find the right size. Just letting you know that it's clockwise to loosen for the Shimano reels, counterclockwise to tighten. Pop that off. And the hole right here for Shimano is 7 by 4 millimeters. Pop this one in just like that. Take my wrench. Just tighten this down. Piece back on. See, now my hole's not lined up, so I'm gonna have to tighten that nut down just a little here. Take this back off. That should be good. Turn this nut down. And there you go. Just let you know that's not going to get away in the way of your drag right here. Fits perfectly. And this is on the Metanium DC. This is the new Gomexus power knobs. Same carbon fiber handle, 105 millimeter. Just look how I like it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching.